Uh, I'm Alok. I'm founding member of Lepasa Metaverse project. And along with me, I have Ashish. He's my co-founder. We have our chief architect, Pushpinder, and our CTO, Vishal. So we'll be presenting a short presentation here. So half of the part I'll be doing, and then I'll join with Ashish for the rest of the presentation. Okay. So this is our project, Lepasa. You've been listening a lot about metaverse projects happening everywhere in the world. We are building, like you see, an ecosystem and infrastructure project for brands and businesses to come and build with us on Lepasa platform. Okay. So here are few definitions by all the people around the world, around the metaverse, and then you might have your own definition for metaverse. I've got Satya Nadella here, Mark Zuckerberg, and Deloitte and Epic Games. Epic Games believes that whoever controls the metaverse would be just like any government or the god. So I'll not take much time. So this is an Harvard review which says mostly about the experience, realism, and engagement. Now, for the engagement, you cannot, for the engagement, it has to be realistic, it has to be engaging, immersive, and interactive, which is the problem of the metaverses at the moment. So the problem with the current metaverses, the future we want to see, the future which is a replica of the real world scenarios cannot be happen at the moment. It's just the hype. We are buying land parcels of millions. But to make the metaverse, the everything which is happening in real life, to be able to be there in the metaverse, it has to be something different, something realistic. And this is where we are. So we believe in our belief in the metaverse that the, the core lies in the experience. And with that, from last 18 months, we have been working around this project to bring real life use cases to the system, like real estate, games, or education. This is a traditional slide of the potential market size. And this I bring it here because we see the potential for Lepasa is of 10 billion in coming 5 years with our strong team and the conviction for a sustainable metaverse system. This is our team. A quick, you've seen us guys. A strong team. It's a startup, but we have been part of multiple startups. So our combined experience crosses 100 years. This is our long-term vision. We are here to change what people conceptualize or what people think of the metaverse at the moment. The tokenized games, the low poly experience. So Ashish will be taking it further with the recent development we have done so far with some visuals, some interesting visuals. So welcome on stage, Ashish.
Thank you, Art, for hosting us. And today we are going to show you something that I'm pretty sure you must not have seen in the space of metaverse. I'm pretty sure. Now, this is the they are too excited to show it early. So this is the master plan of our first city, which is the Salva city of the cluster of islands. In theory, Lepasa is going to be cluster of islands which will offer programmable lands where every metaverse development aspirant can build all Web3 applications. I have some glimpses, and these are not just the images, but this is one of the experience centers we have actually built. It is not just a photograph. This is the booth. We already have exhibition center in place, and this is the booth, how it will look like. It is totally customizable. You will have the web interface where you can place your branding, logos, and information, and design your own booth in the actual virtual event. This is the car experience with. And the education center. So all of us have been listening a lot about metaverse, and everyone has own definition. As Alok mentioned earlier, in our definition, metaverse will have to be replica of real world. It will require technologies which can offer the realism, and to attain the realism and offer the actual experience, we require upcoming technologies which are not currently in fashion, but since we have been seeing the development in last 2 years, we see next 5 years are going to be very, very exciting and can actually deliver what actual metaverse will require. I would like to play the video now. This is the development that we have recently built. Please remember, this is not just a video. We are ready with this product. As you can see the hoardings, these hoardings on the entire island can be managed from a single station where you can play MP3 files, pixel streaming, everything possible. Private villas, digital replicas of real world villas. Right from play to learn games to museums to experience centers to exhibition centers to gamified application for every type of business will be possible at Lepasa with plug and play programmable lands, and one who wants to build anything with metaverse and believes that metaverse is going to be a serious business in the future should contact Lepasa. We are already ready with all of your solutions in the space of metaverse. We are going live by December with all of that I am showing in this video. Thank you very much. Thank you.